Today's episode is 77's reaction to 100's Hoyu snore gets replaced by 34's, and this video has been requested by Choni Wang Mo. Enjoy the video.
Hey ya fellas, I'm 77 here, and today I'm doing a reaction on 100's Hoyu snore gets replaced by 34's. But I'm almost fainted to that while closing my eyes. Anyways, let's jump out breaking to the reaction.
District line. Let's go home right now.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I think I'm gonna. Whoa, I fainted while I'm asleep from all of the cuteness from the nasal breathing. Anyways, that video ended. Stay tuned for episode 63.